Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Yeah, on the Link chart, the market is currently following still the overall bullish thesis. The market reacted a few days ago to the support region that we discussed in previous updates here on our long-term chart. This is still the key support area that for most people will be relevant. It's located at $16.50. Only a break below this area will really challenge the overall bullish assumption. So I say it again and again, people sometimes get caught in the smallest movements, and just because, for example, the price breaks below a micro support or it extends a little bit higher than it would be ideal on the microstructure, they get nervous. Whereas the larger time frame, you know, it's relaxing. It doesn't need to be changed often. It gives you the more stable parameters because bear in mind, cryptocurrencies are very, very volatile. So the smallest movements on the smallest time frame charts, they can seem a little bit chaotic. So please consider that. But if your interest is in, you know, trading the larger time frame, this time frame is typically here for you, the daily, 2-day chart, 4-day chart. But you can, of course, use the microstructures to get a better entry point or to understand, you know, is the trend up or down? Do support levels break on the micro pattern? Oh, that might mean I have to be on the side of caution. Something is changing, something is not happening as it should do. But does it impact my time frame that I'm interested in, right? Sometimes people get nervous around the 30-minute charts, whereas all they want to do is they want to trade the larger third wave rally that should take the price to $69 plus. But they get nervous because the price dips from $18 to $17 or something. So time frame is very important. That's something that people grapple with. It's challenging. It can take a while to learn, and it's not easy. Absolutely not, you know. But I prefer to show the smallest time frames because they give us clarity on the micro level. They tell us very quickly, okay, is the market up? Is the market down? You know, and the thing is, you have to listen to the signals, right, on the smallest time frames. But you have to react much more quickly if you listen to them on the smallest time frame, right? And the idea is now that we are possibly continuing the move up in this third wave to the upside. The white scenario is still leading. Any break below $16.50 would open the door to a test of the lower support area in yellow. But at the moment, the lower support area is still, it's still far away, and we haven't even broken below the upper one. So there's no need to, let's say, focus on that. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame, then there are a couple of scenarios I'm considering. So this is the support area with support down to 1650. The idea is that this swing low could have been an internal fourth wave. I'm talking about the low that formed on the 13th of January, and now we are moving up. And when we look at the microstructures, and I did say it in some of the previous videos, when you watch the video, they might already have changed, you know, but I prefer to give you all the information. At the moment, the support area for the microstructure is $18.84 to $20.96. Any break below $18.84, I mean, the larger support becomes relevant again. It's still on the chart. It's still relevant. The focus would then shift down here to the 1650, 1660 area. We could already have seen a 1-2 setup, okay? So the move up here could have been a wave 1, smaller degree wave 1. This pullback that happened on Thursday here early in the morning, very shallow. It might have been wave 2. I can't fully believe that and trust it because it was so weak, but that is sometimes what happens in bullish markets. Many people get caught out by this. They're waiting for a deep pullback, but then they don't get an entry, which is why I always show the larger support area as well. So you have to decide which time frame you're trading, right? So yeah, very important. If we are now in a third wave already to the upside on the micro level, it should take us to $28 plus. However, if we now start to see a deeper pullback, I would still consider this the wave 2. I'd like to see a deeper wave 2. There's not always going to be another deep wave 2. The wave 2 is the pullback, the correction of the preceding rally. So I'm still watching for it. But the higher we go, the more probable it is we're going to $28 directly, which is very much in line with a larger time frame and bullish assumption. That's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.